Once upon a time, near an open, green, and fragrant meadow, there lived 4 deer. All 4 deer were very close friends. They did not like to go anywhere without one another. In the soft morning sunlight, when dew sparkled on the grass, all 4 deer came together into the meadow and happily ate grass. They laughed, played, and took care of one another. They knew that both the forest and the meadow were full of dangers, but they believed that if they stayed together, they would remain safe. In the same area, there lived a hungry and clever lion as well. He was powerful, but he was alone. He often hid behind trees and kept watching those deer. He thought, "These 4 deer are very fast and intelligent. As long as they stay together, I cannot do anything." Many times he came to scare them, but all 4 deer, by staying together, would immediately run away. The lion, unsuccessful and angry, would return back. Time kept passing, but the lion got no opportunity. Then one day, extreme heat spread across the meadow. Water became scarce, and tiredness increased. One deer said, "Why do we come to the same place every day? I think we should try separate paths." The second said, "No, staying together is better." The third deer said, "I will go and check the distant spring. Maybe there is more water there." The fourth said nothing, but he also wanted to go alone. Finally, all 4 chose their own paths. The meadow, for the first time, looked empty and silent. From the distant bushes, the lion was silently watching all this. He softly said, "This is the very moment I have been waiting for." He saw a lone deer and quietly moved toward him. The deer tried to escape, but he was alone. Then another deer came into the lion's sight. In this way, one by one, all 4 deer became the lion's prey. If they had had patience, if they had listened to one another, then perhaps they would not have seen this end. Moral: remember, loneliness becomes weakness, and patience, wisdom, and unity always provide protection.